Hi, I am Pragati and I am here because I love fashion.
Hi, I am Lakshmi. Fashion is my passion.
Hi, I'm Shweta. I make fashion out of simplicity.
Together we are Painted Prayers.
Basically, our collection is based on Rangoli, and Rangoli is an ancient folk art which is followed in every house on the floor every day in the morning as a prayer.
So our theme name goes as Painted Prayers. Basically, Rangoli is done using bright colors and these are patterns drawn on the floor. So we've chosen two bright colors, that is pink and orange primarily.
Actually, we wanted to show Indian element in this Kalanta 2014. So that's the reason we selected Rangoli, because it is originated from India. We have used basically a round motif of Rangoli and floral motifs as well along with that.
We've basically used organza and cotton silk, and as we are doing a resort wear, we needed a sheer look. So organza goes best with this look. Yes, our collection reflects the global trends. Initially, when we had to start up with our collection, we did a lot of online research regarding the fashion forecast and the trends for the upcoming season and the next fashion year. So the silhouettes basically were skirts that shows in our collection and that reflects the trends.
We went to different karigars who do chicken curry work or different works. We had made so many samples for our collection motif. Then finally we decided on chicken curry, moreover reverse chicken curry, because it will be a creative thing. It will be a new thing, so we went with that.
Vibrant resort wear in the colors of the Rangoli. The students have selected very traditional colors with embroidery that's inspired from the Rangoli itself. Silhouettes having peplums, bias cuts. I think this collection is just apt for resort wear, and it has a very new feel that creates the element of dressed up resort. Dressed up to go anywhere, to party, to chill on a beachside and have fun.